guys, back with another unboxing, and this time I'm doing the iPad mini 6 from 2021. So just picked this up. So this is the cellular version, 256 gig model. I wanted to buy this here, but man, it is so overpriced here, it's crazy. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. And there's many unboxings of this little device. I picked up the cellular version because this will be my second device. Instead of taking an Android phone, I'm pretty much going all Apple. So here's the iPad. It's pretty damn small. Moving that to the side. Paperwork, and there's stickers in there no one ever looks at. And I got the space gray one you'll see in a second. So it comes with a 20-watt charger, standard, that you get pretty much with all iPads. And then you get the nice, oh, this isn't braided. I thought it was braided like the other ones. So this is just your standard type C to type C. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. All right, so the iPad itself. Probably seen many videos of YouTubers talking about getting this item instead of waiting for the iPad 7, which should be coming out later this year. My thing is this: if you're gonna wait, you're gonna be waiting forever, because technology keeps changing. They keep bringing out new devices every year. So if you want it, get it now. Don't wait. If so, you're gonna wait every year to get the next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that thing set up. I already have pencil that I can put on the side, and I did buy this case to go with it. So I already have a little rubberized case, but yeah, it's pretty small. You know, I'll go more into detail, but in this first video, this is just an unboxing of the iPad mini 6 from 2021. 256 gig model cellular. So I caught it on sale at the base. The normal price, I believe, is $800 for this one. They were selling it for $650. So if you go to Apple's website, it's $800. The 64 gig cellular, I want to say it's $650, and non-cellular, I want to say those are $450 for the 64. For the 256, I believe it's 6 something. Okay, but all right guys, that's it for this short quick video. I'll get back with you guys later and let you see how well this thing is working. Until then, I'm out. Peace.